1 second, sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Scene 4, take 1.
Charmaine, Charmaine, Charmaine. That's what I always have to repeat to myself once we're back here in the office. Let me tell you, honey, work on Zoom was a breeze. Every customer who called in, I was right on top of it. Cooking, honey, let me tell you, vlogging, I was doing it all. Now that we're back here in the office, I got to be good girl Charmaine. Here comes Mark. How you doing, Mark? Every morning, that's how we have to keep it going. Charmaine and Mark, Mark and Charmaine. Are they friends? Guess we'll have to keep watching.